everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share how I transformed this large speaker box into an Ottoman. But before we dive in, if you're new here, I'd love for you to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more of these creative projects. Now let's get started. First thing first, let's create the cushion seat. I've measured the top part of the speaker to get the dimensions right. Now, I'll be using a 1-inch foam sheet and cutting 2 pieces to create a 2-inch thick seat. After preparing the 2-inch cushion, I'll attach it to the top using synthetic rubber solution, which is also known as SR solution. Next, I'll use a blue fabric which is leftover sofa material. I'll measure it precisely to fit the seat and then attach it securely using a stapler. To cover the sides of the Ottoman, I have chosen a pink fabric from an old thick curtain. I'm cutting the fabric to match the dimensions of the Ottoman sides. To affix the fabric, I have flipped it over, stapling from the inside. Once that's done, I'll flip it again to achieve a seamless finish. Before flipping the fabric, I'll first attach a packaging foam sheet to the sides of the Ottoman to provide a soft and cushioned feel. When the Ottoman is completely covered with the foam sheet, it's time to flip the pink fabric and securely staple it using a staple gun, ensuring a snug fit. To finish the remaining side of the Ottoman, I'll neatly fold the fabric inward and secure it in place using glue for a seamless and tidy appearance. And there you have it, the Ottoman is now ready. If you'd like, you can choose to add legs for an extra touch. I hope you found this video helpful and enjoyable. If you did, please consider subscribing and giving it a big thumbs up. It really means a lot. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.